Greetings. Jamaica agriculture, 20% growth per year on average for the next 30 years is needed. Alongside the required growth in tourism rooms capacity of 20% per annum for the next 10 years, as I have mentioned in my previous video, agriculture also need to be growing by 20% per year on average for the next 30 years. 40% per annum growth is the figure that is really needed, but 20% per annum would be brilliant. The right investments need to be made for this to happen. For example, the country needs a nationwide irrigation system so there are no shortages of water for farmers, etc. Agriculture is roughly 10% of Jamaica's GDP, and tourism is 30% of our GDP, which is a combined 40% of our GDP. If these two sectors are growing by 20% per annum, that will drag our overall GDP to 10% growth per annum over the next 10 years if the other sectors don't collapse but grow marginally, of course. Bear in mind also that if our room capacity is increasing by 20% per annum, the actual income from tourism will increase more like 25% to 30% per annum, judging by what's happening overall in the last 2 years. For example, in 2022, the tourism income rebounded to pre-COVID levels, but the visitor numbers did not recover in 2022. Hence, visitors are spending more money each year. I believe that the above is a clear path for the Jamaican economy to be growing by 10% per year, every year for the next 10 years and beyond, doubling our economy from US 15 billion in 2020 to US 30 billion in 2030. Our Vision 2030 needs some financial legs to stand on, and by God's help and directions, the legs to stand on will be easy to be understood and easily entreated by everyone. The government just needs to level with people and let them know where we are in comparison with other countries and where we need to be. With God's help, we will get where we need to be when everyone put their shoulders to the wheel and do their little part. Even though my topic stems from having an international airport in St. Elizabeth, my concerns are actually for all Jamaica. However, I firmly believe that the regions of Jamaica with the lowest economical activities should be given some level of priority so that those areas can benefit from the low-lying fruits of the tourism dollar. The Jamaican people need to see the instant transformation of their communities whenever the large all-inclusive hotels are built in their parishes. For example, they need to see good roads and highways leading from one town or from one village to the other in their parish, in addition to the coastal highway passing through their parish, linking them to the rest of the country. Also, each town or large village in every parish should have a highly functional health facility to improve the health of the nation. When the people see that they are getting new roads, new health centers, new schools, and local jobs, then they will understand why the government is giving half a mile of beach in every parish to accommodate 6,000 visitors in every parish. By the way, a 1,000 room all-inclusive hotel does not need more than 100 meters of beach land, or a 2,000 room resort does not need more than 200 meters of beach land. I'll do a separate video on the issue of beach lands in Jamaica. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you, and God bless Jamaica. Peace.